In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map Google Drive in Windows 10 or 11 in just 5 minutes. We'll guide you through each step so you'll be able to access your Google Drive files just like any other folder on your computer. This can significantly improve your workflow, enabling you to manage your files easily and efficiently. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. This is your central hub for accessing all of your files stored in the cloud. It's important that you're logged into the correct Google account to access the files you want to map. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you're going to want to locate the New button. This is typically located on the upper left side of the page. Click on it. This button is your gateway to adding new files or creating new folders, but today we're interested in something a bit different. After clicking New, you'll see a menu with several options. Move your cursor down and click on More. You'll see this option further down the menu after options like File Upload and Folder Upload. More is your access point to a wider array of Drive functionalities that aren't immediately visible. Now from this More submenu, click on Google My Maps. This part of Google Drive allows you to create and edit personalized maps, which can be useful for various mapping tasks. However, in this process, it's essential to ensure you select Google My Maps to proceed correctly. Once Google My Maps opens, look for an option that says Create a New Map. Click on that. This feature allows you to start a fresh map for your project. While it might seem unrelated to accessing files on your Google Drive, it's integral to this process as it sets the foundation for mapping your drive correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated Google Drive's interface to utilize its mapping features. This setup makes handling your files across different platforms straightforward. Now, Windows recognizes your Google Drive like a regular drive, giving you seamless access to your files and allowing for more efficient file management. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit any step if needed, and remember, each step adds to making your digital workspace easier to navigate. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Now that you've mapped your drive, enjoy the convenience it brings to your daily tasks.